Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can copy your MetaMask wallet address. So the first thing that you will have to do is, of course, go to the official MetaMask website. So you will basically just look for it on your Chrome or whatever device, whatever web browser that you may be using. So just look for MetaMask, and the first thing that comes up, you should just have to click that official website. And now that you're here, you will just have to look for your look for the account that you want. So for example, account 2 or account 1. So it really depends on you. And once you're on your chosen account, what you will have to do is you will um click on this. So you will just have to basically look for the network that you want the address for. So basically, once you've already chosen any account, anything, you will just have to click receive, which is right here. And now you can basically just copy any of this. So it really depends on you. So you'll just have to click this button right here, and then your address will be copied automatically. And by the way, you should double check the first four and the last four characters before sharing, and share this address only for receiving crypto. And yeah, that's basically just it. Copying your MetaMask is really that simple, and you should always verify it before sending funds. Thank you so much for watching, and I really hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you, and have an awesome day.